Are you considering to pursue your PhD in Japan? This video is exactly the video you need to get all the information about PhD programs in Japan. So in today's video, we are going to cover worry pain points basically of all the PhD students. Finding the right professor or the university. This is a challenging part, honestly, because you want to approach the right university and the right professors to be your guide. Otherwise, it is immense amount of effort in reaching out to professors and asking for approval. So you could be doing this day in, day out without getting results. So which is why mentorship is very important. That is one way to go. Or otherwise, you can just research on your own and read some publications and see who could be the professor who aligns with your research area. So don't give up hope. This is a long process, so you have to just keep doing it until you see positive results. Another worry for PhD students would be the application process. In Japan, the application process for masters and PhD can be little cumbersome. So, including the documentation, there are different kinds of documents, the process. Some universities take exams, some universities take interviews, some take it online, some take them offline. Documentation submission, some of them is online, while most universities still prefer hard copies. So, all of that, honestly, does make the matter a little more complicated. But having said that, once you have zeroed down to, let's say 10 universities that you are targeting, it becomes little bit simpler from there. If you need any assistance in this entire process, please feel free to reach out to us and we will be more than happy to guide you for the basic steps. I hope this video was helpful to you somewhat in understanding how the PhD programs work in Japan. And if you're a PhD aspirant and in two minds about Japan, I think you are on the right track. You must consider Japan. And if you have more queries or any concerns, you can always put those in the comment box and we are happy to assist you as much as we can. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and like the video.